Hi everyone, today we are going to make butterfly. For this, here I am taking square paper of 8 centimeters. First you can fold middle to the triangle shape and you can open it. The opposite side also you can do the same process. You can fold middle to the triangle and open, and you can turn over the paper. Here you can fold to the middle like this. Okay, you can fold to the middle and open. Here also, opposite side also you can do the same process. You can fold to the middle. Okay, and you can open it. See here, this triangle shape you can fold like this. Okay, here also this triangle shape you can fold like this. You can fold triangle shape, you can fold like this. This one you can fold to the right side. Here you can cut the edges. Here I am cutting the edges in curved shape and open it. You can fold this one to the margin of the paper, middle of the paper. Here also, in this side also you can do the same process. You can fold to the middle of the paper. This one you can fold back side like this. You can fold. You can fold and press like this. You turn this side and you can fold like this. Okay, like this you can fold. This is our butterfly. See here, our butterfly is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a great day. Bye. Take care everyone.